Today I'm going to share my opinion on the topic keeping wild animals in zoo is a good thing. After considering various aspects of these issues, I believe that under proper management, zoos can play an important role in animal conservation, education, and scientific research. First, zoos have protected endangered species. Many animals in the wild are facing some threats, such as habitat destruction, mm, poaching, and climate change. For example, species like the giant panda and the Sumatran tiger were brought back from the brink of extinction through dedicated breeding programs in zoos. By providing a controlled and safe environment, zoos give these species a chance to reproduce and eventually reintroduce them into the wild when their natural habitats are restored. Moreover, zoos contribute to scientific research. Scientists in zoos have the opportunity to study animal behavior, genetics, and health in ways that would be difficult to observe in the wild. These studies provide crucial information that can help with conservation efforts worldwide. In addition, you often collaborate with international organizations to protect habitats and support wildlife monitoring. Another benefit of zoos is their educational values. Visiting zoos provides people, especially children, with a direct opportunity to connect with animals they may never encounter otherwise. This experience can foster empathy and greater understanding of wildlife. For instance, many zoos offer educational programs that teach visitors about the importance of biodiversity and the role its animals play in maintaining ecosystem balance. By educating the public, youth inspire a sense of responsibility toward preserving wildlife and the environment. However, it's important to acknowledge the concern that some people have about keeping animals in captivity. Critics argue that zoos enclosures are not as spacious as natural habitats, and they can lead to stress or behavioral issues in animals. While this is a valid concern, modern zoos are working hard to improve the living conditions of the animal. Many are designed to replicate natural environment as much as possible, providing enrichment activity that encourage natural behavior. Mm, In conclusion, I believe that keeping wild animals in zoos, when managed ethically and responsibly, is beneficial. Use protect endangered species, support scientific research, and educate the public about conservation. They play the vital role in protecting our planet, biodiversity, and as long as their practice continue to evolve to meet the animal needs, they should be viewed as an important tool in wildlife preservation.